unboxing these Flip 2 headphones. These are my black headphones. I get started. Okay, this tape is kind of hard to get off. Okay, we have this. We don't need it. I saw something. Okay, so this looks awesome. Okay, it's stuck. Never mind. Okay, so it comes with this thing. These are, I think. Okay. Oof, it's stuck. Okay. We don't need this. So these are really cool headphones. I think. Okay. We don't need this too. Okay, so let's test it out. Ooh. So unfortunately, these are not wireless headphones. But they're really comfortable though. You know. They have these pillow thingies around them. And I'm gonna go grab my phone and I'm gonna test it out. I got my dirty phone. Let's test it out. Okay. I think we're supposed to put it here. Okay, it's in. So we're gonna listen to Young, Wild, and Free, clean version. Okay. Oh! It's awesome. The audio quality is so good. Okay. So, it's really good. Let's see what's in this. Okay, move. It says, what? It says, Flip 2 lightweight, folding portable wired headsets. We're gonna read the inside. Yeah, you can don't stop. No, just no. Okay, so these are the part names. We have, number 1 is drivers, 40 millimeters. Number 2, ear cushions, which I told you before. Head strap, 3.5 millimeter gold plated jack. 4, which is this. Wait. I'm sorry, phone. Okay. Yes, as you can see. Okay. Microphone. Where is the mic? Oh. Wait, what? Where's the microphone? Wait. Oh, there's a microphone here. Okay. It's right there. Okay. Button click. Where's that? Ooh. So it's this one. Boop. I love pressing buttons. 7 is fabric cable. The fabric. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna read this. Okay, attention. Carefully read following instructions. Adherence to them will provide you safe use and intactness of the product. Don't expose the product to mechanical loads which may result in non-serviceability of the headphones. Got it. Don't keep the product in places with high temperature exceeding places with high humidity, for instance, in a bathroom, dusty places. So remember these rules, guys. If you want to buy these headphones or any other headphones, before using the headphones with audio playback equipment, make sure the equipment output resistance complies with that of the headphones. Non-observance to this requirement may result in the headphones or equipment failure, as well as in worsened sound quality and increased power consumption. Use soft dry cloth to clean the product. Using solvents or gasoline or their application may result in the charge of color or damage of the product surface. Alright, you got that, guys? So this is not sponsored by Flip 2 or Z, but we're just gonna do it anyway. Okay, sure. Wait, let me just. Okay. You didn't even hear it. There's nothing. Okay, there you go. So he's over there vibing. What is this? What is this? So I have no idea what this is. I love it. Okay. It's cool. I have no idea what this is. Anything here? Okay, guys, don't hear it too loud because it will break. Yeah. Now we're gonna read the stuff on the box. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. And we're not gonna read the stuff on the box, guys, because that would be boring. Yeah.
It's hard when you don't get the